of the things where I see a use case for insurers is the people up qualification. If you provide the people working in insurance companies with proper training in some of these tools, then their productivity is doubling. I'm not kidding here. It's literally doubling. So one person can do two people's work when they've been introduced to a tool that costs $20 per month. And this is for me a fantastic starting point, because if you don't like it, you turn it off, right? And then what have you lost? You've lost $20 per month a couple of months, and maybe, I don't know, a couple of thousands in training the people. So the risk is almost non-existent. But the upside of this is enormous. If I think it was Harvard Business Review, they did a study which they called the Gen AI Wall. And what they did there was they took any company, but let's just stay in the insurance world and say, okay, we have, let's say, 3 different departments. We have human resources, we have product development, and we have underwriting. Product development and underwriting, they're quite close to each other, and human resources are quite far away from product development and underwriting. Now they did some tests where they gave the experts from underwriting a proper AI tool, $20 per month, and asked them to solve complex problems in human resources and in product development. Underwriting people, complex tasks for the partners in product development and in human resources. What it turns out was that if you ask the underwriters to solve complex problems in human resources, that didn't go very well. But because product development and underwriting are pretty close to each other, then the products that they produced, the results that they produced, were of 100% equal quality as the experts in the other team. So if you were a seasoned product developer and you have a Gen AI tool, then all of a sudden you can double as a seasoned underwriter, because you have enough foundational knowledge to steer the large language model. You have enough foundational knowledge to understand the answers coming out and correct it when it's right or wrong. And for me, that is absolutely fantastic, because you shouldn't, as a CEO of a company, you should not see this as an opportunity to save people or to cut costs, but you should see it as an opportunity to have an infinite more flexible organization.